Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change font size on any iPhone. So if you want to change the font size on any iPhone, here is a quick steps on how to get it done. The first thing you have to do is open up your settings on your phone. Once you open it, then you scroll down a little on the second option. Then you'll find an option where you can tap on display and brightness. Tap on display and brightness. So from there, you're gonna have to add a little bit of configuration in our font looking. So the first thing you have to do is go to both test. Okay, go to test size. Tap on the test size. From here, you have an option to increase your test size from smaller to bigger or to medium. You can see this is actually into medium. This is medium. You can decide to make it like this, maybe spherical a little, or I can decide to make it a bit smaller. So it depends on you on how you want it. You can make it bigger, you can make it medium, smaller, and extremely small. After that, then you can also go back to this option, which is both text. You can decide to add both text. You can see, you can configure the font size. You can make it a bit bigger and more thicker. So if you want that also, you can simply implement it. So you can, if you don't want to turn it off. And also you can add a little bit of touch by using the display zoom. Just tap on the display zoom. If you want the text to be more larger, just tap on this, then it will make everything bigger. And if you don't, you can just simply tap on this and make it default. Okay, if you tap on the larger size, then you tap on done, you'll notice it's slightly different.